Okay.
Down one.
Come on.
Oh, this is gross. Oh, okay. Why is Lily all of a sudden good now? No, are you serious?
I am.
Right, tags off. Left in the loop. Tags off.
Hey, that went off the table.
That went off the table. Okay, ready? Alright, let's go. So, you go, one person hits it, then the other person opposite has to hit it no matter what.
So
it's like,
one for one?
yeah. So, say you rally it, I go back, then Chloe has to hit it, then Eileen has to hit it, and then it goes back to me.
So much mental.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's easier because otherwise,
That's even harder.
otherwise you try to reach around someone, you don't know who's going to go.
Oh.
Come on, Naya. That's it, Naya. Yup. Come on, Naya. Higher. High pull.
We got problems with the table over here.
We just use the floor. That's alright. Go Naya. Hey, stop beeping me.
Power shot.
The locks currently don't work on the doors. You walk in, there's the bed, got like a little hanging rack, fan, sink. It's pretty cool. I've got a fridge, blanket, 2 towels that they give me, and then I've got my own 2 towels, that's fine. And then more cupboard space, and then another rack. Desk with a chair, lamp, and this is the view. That was so bad. Okay, technically number 1 of the AIS yesterday, we kind of just like arrived. Yeah, kind of explored campus type thing. Literally we did nothing yesterday pretty much, to sum it all up. Today's our proper actual first day 1. I'm about to head off to breakfast, and then we've got training session number 1. Just finished getting ready. This is my fit check. New Balances, LSKD, a bit wrong, matching top. It is quite chilly out of a morning, but like at night it is so hot. I went to bed last night sweating. My chocolate milk, I've got a whole case of these, so I'm having one like after every training because I normally do anyway, so, and good thing that they're free. AIS shop so far. We've got our little kangaroo, which is going to go for my little Spain teddy bear. We've got a cap because slay.
Nice. I'm gonna miss it anyway. Girl.
You two, what the frick?
Yeah.
That was good. No, you distracted me. That's so funny.
Yeah, you put it wherever you want. If it gets this hot, still gonna miss this.
How do you get to choose where the white one goes? I thought it goes straight in the middle.
No. Yeah. Right. Ah!
You went in again. Give us your best yes girls.
Yes, girl.
A little bit louder.
Yes, girl.
Chloe.
Oh, yes, girl. Oh, I didn't.
Decided that we're all going to have a sleep because we've got training in just under 3 hours. So that's a slay. Anyways, good night for now.
Can I tell you that? To declare my love.
I look so ridiculous right now. Focus. Okay, it's not wanting to focus. This lip line tin, and pretty much you put on it dries, you peel it off, and it like it's like a tint that stays there, and you physically cannot like rub it off. It just fades over like 12 to 24 hours. Finished training, and I'm just fueling up. Ooh. Slay! I wonder who tipped over the chip.
Well, these are yours and I get all the rest.
What's your inspirational quote for today?
Smoke grass, eat ass.
That's This is my current situation. I've made fried rice, so it's obviously got rice, egg, beef mince. Did beef because I don't want to do chicken. Frozen carrot, peas, and corn. Magnesium. This colour. I love it. And the shorts. Oh yeah, and I ordered socks because then I got free shipping. Princess Polly. Jeans and this jumper, I bought them for New Zealand because it's gonna be cold. Next up is siesta. Obviously, the shirt, living in it. Got the bag. I could not get the bag. New car air freshener because they're so good. Bottoms and the top, the sweatshirts, and then last but not least, tracky pants, the hoodie as well. And then this one I got sent. Oh my goodness, this is sick. How freaking cool. Oh my god, so I got like a mini roller. Josh, have a look at this. I got a mini one. I don't know, this size one.
What do they do?
So like roll out your back and stuff. And then a massive one.
Oh, sick. Is it very cool?
Lotus wheel. Sick. Thanks, Lotus wheel.